The next step is to put all your delicious vegetables in the bowl. Then put the cover on, which will now become the base. Now you're ready to start cutting your salad. Put your knife in between each section of the cutting bowl and go down from the top to the bottom, making sure you go all through all the different vegetables that you have in your bowl. Once you've cut through all the slots, you want to rotate the salad bowl so you can cut the opposite direction. With the handle on the top of it, it's very easy to do. Now we're cutting in the opposite direction, so you'll have your pieces cut a little bit smaller and in different sections. I like this base because it has like a little channel on the edge of it, so it collects any juice that might come out as you're cutting your salad, and it doesn't spill too much. It's now through cutting that way, and we're now going to flip the bowl over and take the lid off, and there you have a delicious cut up salad. Look at this delicious salad. Everything is cut up perfect in right sizes. All we have to do is add our dressing and we're ready to eat.